Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. What's up guys, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. So today we're talking about Sogne Yacouba. He has finally moved to Tanzania, Yanga SC. And today we're talking about him, what his departure means for Kotoko and what his arrival means for Yanga SC and what they should expect from him, because he is obviously a talented player, but due to one or two problems he couldn't just have a good or better future at Kotoko. So today we're talking about him, and I'll also read out his farewell message or tribute to Asante Kotoko after he finally completed his move to Yanga FC. First of all, what does Sogne Yacouba departure means for Kotoko? Sogne Yacouba departure means that anybody can now be a star player at Kotoko. Anybody can step up, perform, and become a star player. Before, when Sogne Yacouba is in the game, when he's playing football, whenever he enters, whenever he's jogging, the fans cheer him on, and he was the star player at Kotoko. So now other players have the opportunity to step up and grab the mantle and be the star player. So it's perfectly a good opportunity for anyone in the Kotoko squad to step up and become the star player for the club. So it will create competition, as everybody will struggle to be the best player next season. And this is something every coach and every fan base in the world, this is something they love. When everybody's competing, trying to be better, to be the best in the team, it's just amazing because you see them improving and putting out good performances. His departure will also allow fans to focus on other players, to check out which players has the quality to step up and win games for Kotoko. You know, when things happen, they say bringing Yacouba, but now Yacouba is no more. So now fans will be looking to experiment with other players, because most fans haven't seen players, like they don't know how some players at Kotoko play. So this will be the perfect opportunity for them to look out for the qualities of other players. So I'm sure that next season a lot of players will be trying to step up and grab the mantle to cover the space, as if there's any space Sogne Yacouba left at Kotoko. Some players will be struggling to stepping up to cover that space or the gap that he has left at Kotoko. And now for Yanga, I think Yanga SC, they have a very talented player, because Sogne Yacouba is a very talented player, and he's going to be a very good player for them. That's if he stays fit. He's a very good player. He's going to be a very good player for them. He had problems scoring goals for Kotoko at the point because of his injury record, and he came back and he couldn't replicate his earlier moments at Kotoko. So I think if things work out well for him, if he stays fit, and if he doesn't have any issues with the management of the club there, he's going to be a very, very crucial player for Yanga SC, and the fans will enjoy him because he's very skillful. He's good in penalty kicks, he's good in free kicks, he can dribble, and he can pass the ball. So probably they should pair him up with another good striker, and he will collaborate with the good striker and give the fans the goals and the points they want. So Yanga SC, if any of the fans from Tanzania are watching, if you're watching this video, you should know that Sogne Yacouba is a very good player, and you guys have a pure genius there with you. If he stays fit, he's going to be a very, very crucial player for you guys next season. So without wasting much time, let's get into the farewell message Sogne Yacouba sent for Kotoko. So I'm going to read it right now. Sogne Yacouba said, "It's a wonderful journey with the Porcupine family. We celebrated many victories and stood as one family in moments of defeat. My 2 years with Kumasi Asante Kotoko was full of joy and excitement. The love and support over the years was phenomenal, and I'm really grateful for each cheer from the stands, touchline, and from your digital distance. I appreciate you all. I wish to thank the board chairman, Prof. Dr. Kwame Chie, for his support and advice, the then management members and the coaches, my teammates, team doctors, not forgetting Dr. Christian Abao, who works at the Tafo Government Hospital. Mom, may Allah bless you and all the employees of the club. Another special thank you goes to all the ever-present supporters and fans who made me feel happy and so special during my stay at Kumasi. Your constant support to the team on and off the pitch cannot be overlooked. I thank you all those who prayed and supported me in difficult time. It's been a pleasure and an honor to play with the club with most supporters in Ghana and the club of the century as well. Last but not the least, I wish to say sorry to all those I offended during my days in the team. There were a lot of issues surrounding me, but what I can say is that in life, never hate someone based on what you hear. Asante Kotoko will forever be part of my story. I wish Kumasi Asante Kotoko the best of luck for the future. May Allah bless you all. Thank you, fabulous, the best. Yes, Kuma Pem Apembepa. That's what he said. It's a nice tribute. I feel that is the right thing to do nowadays. When you leave a club, you write them an emotional letter to tell them, to thank them for all they have done for your career. So I think Sogne Yacouba leaving is also a blessing for Kotoko because other players will step up and cover his mantle. Yanga should be very, very happy that they got him because he's very good. Obviously, I just hope he stays fit for them. Hopefully he stays fit for them because he's very good. So thanks for watching Daily Porcupine. My name is Clinton Elito and I'll be posting much videos in the coming weeks. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.